Let's select and type X to remove the default cube. We need to add a plane, and S to scale. Let's go to the shading and add a new color grid image. Let's drag this icon into the node editor and connect it. Let's add a UV sphere. S to scale. Ctrl 3 to subdivide, right-click and shade smooth. S and Z to scale in the Z-axis. We need to set the render engine to Eevee, and enable screen space reflections. Please also enable refraction. Let's add a new glass shader. This time, we need to enable screen space refraction. Can you guess why the glass looks blurry? It's not alpha blend. It's not the low sample setting on the viewport. What could it be? It's the roughness. By adjusting the IOR setting, we can turn this glass object into a magnifying glass. Too much IOR means too much reflections. That's about right. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.